We have an exciting topic lined up for today's session: books of accounts. Books of accounts are used to record financial transactions in accounting. The primary books of accounts in use are the ledger, the principal book; the journal, the subsidiary book. The ledger is the principal book of account, containing a classified form of the permanent records of all financial transactions of a business. The ledger account is divided into two sides, the debit side and the credit side. Therefore, in accounting, entries are described as being debited or credited to particular accounts. Transactions are recorded in the ledger based on the double entry principle. The journal is the subsidiary book of account where credit transactions are first recorded before they are posted in totals to the ledger. The journal contains the temporary records of credit transactions. Format of the journal. The recording of financial transactions in the journal does not follow the double entry principle. Cash transactions are recorded directly into the ledger, while credit transactions are first recorded in the journal, that is, the subsidiary books, before being posted in totals to the ledger. Cash transactions, directly recorded in the ledger. Credit transactions, initially recorded in the journal and then posted in totals to the ledger. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.